Hello everyone. Today I brought you a nice feature that is included in most Samsung devices, or at least a lot of Samsung devices, and it's called Device Care. One way to approach this feature is to go to Settings and to go to Device Care. And from here you could hide the icon or bring an icon to the home screen like I have here. So when you go into this feature, you can click on the three dots. You could set auto optimization, and mine, as you can see, is set to every day 3 a.m. and you could change that time to any time you would like to change it. Another cool thing with this app is that you could set a certain time where the phone would auto restart by itself, and this would only happen if your screen is off, your phone isn't being used, and your battery is above 30%. So you don't need to worry if you're using your phone and your phone will die all of a sudden, because this would not happen. So you pick your days over here, and you pick what time you would like the phone to auto restart. This would help to keep your phone fresh and out of cache, out of any malware. Keep it fresh, fast, and optimized to the fullest. So this feature basically detects your battery, your storage, your memory, and your security, and it scans all of these and that make sure to delete any unnecessary files. Make sure to let you know of any excess storage that you have, to let you know that you need to delete files. So it's pretty helpful. As you can see now, my optimization level is 90 out of 100, so 90%, which is excellent. But I can go to optimize now, and it will scan everything that I told you about. The app crashes detected, malware apps. It will detect any unusual activity going on and any excess storage, and it will let you know the information. And now, as you can see, that 90% changed into 100%. So you can go to done, and now you have your device optimized. Now you can use your phone. It's pretty fast, pretty quick, and yeah, it's an excellent feature.